In this video I'm going to show you how to DM on Telegram. So if this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So let's show you from beginning. So first of all, open Telegram on your iPhone or Android. Then as you can see, here is in this bottoms 4 different sections. First option is settings, chat, calls and contacts. So you can find all of your contact from here, contact sections. Then you can select any of these, like this one. I'm searching for someone, like, then select, then I can message that to them or this person. Then or you can go back, then you can tap on set and you can see all of your chat conversation here. You can find here everyone, or you can search also here, just like that. Then it's open, you can just text to this person. So that way you can DM on Telegram. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.